I had an insane game with the Renetti, the pistol. And I recorded some pretty insane footage. We got a really good game. But I forgot to unmute my microphone. The footage that you're going to see, yes, it'll look like I'm talking, but you're not gonna hear any audio whatsoever. I massively apologize about that. Yeah. So, nonetheless, I hope you enjoy the footage. I will put some, background music in there just to try and make it a bit more interesting. But yeah, you won't hear me talking. Yeah. If you guys haven't already, make sure to leave a like, make sure to subscribe and put those notifications on. It would massively help me out. And yeah, I guess we'll get into the video, I guess. Let's go.
Changing back.
Enemy at the standing pound. Enemy in the back alley.
Enemy UAV overhead.
If you enjoyed the video that was half muted, then make sure to leave a like, make sure to subscribe, and put those notifications on as well so you don't miss an upload. I do stream on this channel as well, so, definitely put those notifications on. Put it on always, just so you're always notified when I upload and also stream. Anyway, I'll see you all in the next upload. Have a good day, and peace out.